This one was from 1950?
Yeah, like that's...
Wow, that's incredible.
Yeah.
Yeah, you can see why they had arms as thick as everybody's legs, right? I mean, look at the size of this thing.
I know. And
imagine hanging on to that.
And then the two-man, I mean, look at the McCullough. That's a bow saw. And then the weed eaters. Like, yeah.
And they're from back in the 60s?
Ross would have a better idea.
Yeah.
Here they are.
That's
I would say so.
Interesting chain bar. It's empty in the middle.
Yeah, like this. It was meant so that the saw didn't get pinched in a log.
Oh, okay.
You know? Something like that. I had to keep looking it up and looking it because people kept asking me. I did know, but I forgot again.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
So that's what that's all about.
Yeah.
Wow, look at the size of this thing. That's a two-man, right?
That's a two-man saw.
Wow.
That was a two-man. Oh, you might be up in the woodlot then.
Well, that's okay. You're not disturbing.
I've seen him. Hmm?
You're not disturbing him for me, are you?
Oh no, he's just.
Oh, okay. Wow.
Well, you didn't see a little white tracker.
No, he was in Shiloh's truck, I think.
Yeah.
Oh, that's right too. Yeah.
Wow, look at this beast. Holy cow.
Yeah, isn't that a nice one? And look at this. I love the color of that one.
Yeah, unreal. That's a heck of a lot of chainsaw.
Yeah.
That thing's the size of a generator just by itself.
Yeah. I would imagine heavy.
Oh yeah, well, that's why you got to get a guy on the other end.
Oh, yeah, right. Yeah, I want that one. I want that side.
Yep. Wow. All the old gas cans from way back when as well. I remember those too.
Yeah.
Yeah, I remember them.
All the tools over here. Oh, we're missing one light. Oh, there's two over here. That one.
Yeah, there's some cool. I like these little oil jugs.
Oh.
Teens.
Oh wow, really?
When it used to come in a glass
The
bottle.
salesperson.
Woo. Isn't that something? And that's for what, samples or?
Yeah.
Yeah, they were just. What were they, Annie Jen? They'd have them at the gas station, right?
Yeah, the salesman would go around and then, and come out with all this different samples of different kinds of what's, they're all sort of different oils and everything, so.
That's neat. I've never seen those before.
I'd like to put a light behind it. I think they really show up nice, all the different colors.
Well, yeah, especially all the different colors.
Yeah.
That's a good idea.
I know.
I'll be waiting for that, okay? All right.
I know it's a good idea.
Yep. It's always a good idea.
Lots of good ideas.
So you want me to just let him wait till he comes back?
Cool. Look at all these old tools. Wow.
Yeah.
Wow. Looks like an old grinder that was belt driven. Huh. Cool. Some pretty old tools. For those that like to collect cans, there's a collection for you. Yeah, that's in really nice shape. Look at the size of this thing. What is it, 2-cylinder? Two? Yeah, it is too.
Engine specs 160.
Really?
CCs, yeah.
Wow.
That one's actually bigger up there. That's 250 cc.
It is.
It's like a motorcycle engine.
No kidding. Yeah.
What was the story on that, Annie Jan? Those two-man saws, those engines, weren't they originally like a motorcycle?
Oh, I can't remember. Yeah.
Got the idea from a motorcycle.
Probably.
What does it say? Simca compressor cylinder.
It's unreal.
saw.
Yeah.
Can't
Yeah,
imagine
I
packing
like
that
that
up.
one. Yeah.
That's
I
nice.
can't imagine packing that other one that I tried to pick up. Good grief, let alone one of these.
Yeah.
Too.
Holy cow.
There's a couple of nice. This is a 51.
1951.
Yeah.
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 Man, oh man.
Big old chain.
No kidding. Look at the size of that thing. It's huge. It'd be fun sharpening that chain.
Yeah.
Look at the what do you call these things?
I'm not sure. Just stick them into the
oh,
log.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah.
That you stick it in a log and then you start ripping down. Yeah. Cool.
Yeah, no, they're all in this
And a
book.
2-cylinder.
Yeah.
Jeez, that's insane.
That's a fork to it, eh?
Yeah, I guess it would. Yeah. Jeez, man, that's
Yeah,
incredible.
everything from like brand new refurbished saws.
Yep.
To, you know, something like this saw it's used. You can see like the character of it.
Oh yeah, yep. And I bet you they're well used.
Yeah, oh yeah.
Oh, definitely. Yeah, it's cool. Oh, there's an interesting looking one.
These little.
It's a Pioneer, is it?
Yeah. Yeah, they're kind of goofy looking.
Yeah, I know. Yeah, and a totally different color.
Yeah.
I guess they weren't fussy about what color because that one is the same as that.
Mhm.
And is that okay?
Yeah, they can.
Huh, we've got red paint today, so we'll use that.
I think actually maybe that they painted. Oh no, that's 550. That's 450. I don't know. I thought maybe they painted it like the different size saws,
For
different
yeah,
color.
okay.
Yeah, this one looks like it was originally like yellow or something. Somebody painted it.
Yeah, that could be too, eh? Yeah, really. Huh.
Yeah, where's that?
Holy.
Titan.
A Titan. Holy crap. Yeah, that's another 2-man saw, right?
Yeah. There's also Handy Jan. Where's that rotary saw? Oh, yeah, the rotary
The right saw right there. This saw right here is from Sweden. It's a diesel.
What?
That one right there.
A diesel?
That's a diesel.
Hey, kitty. Are you the company mascot? Yeah.
We have about 8 of them.
Oh, okay. 8 company mascots.
Feral cats and-
Yeah, that's the diesel one.
Wow. Wow.
and the box to go with it too.
On top of it all, yeah. Oh, that's a nice little collector's pipe.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And then this thing, I like this thing too. It's a drill, but the oil goes into the top, into the handle, so you can hear.
Oh, really?
Goes into there, and then you
Well, isn't that something? Yeah.
similar, yeah.
Wow. Jeez. That's one heck of a drill.
Yeah.
So gas-powered drills were invented way before my
Way
time.
before, yeah.
Sounded good anyways.
yeah.
That's cool.
Until it catch and break your wrist.
Oh, can you imagine? Whew. You know that last little piece just before you go through, right, is when the drill just decides to get stuck.
Hardbat also made that steam donkey, the replica of a steam donkey.
Oh,
He
okay.
made all the little brass fittings on that and everything. He's still alive. He's 80-something years old right now.
Really?
And that works. We had it at the fall fair, and
No.
he would be bringing logs in to show people how it
Oh,
would
for
work.
crying out loud.
And they were normally really big, right?
Yeah.
And he did also this.
That kind of work.
He
The
quit
carving.
drinking up in the Queen Charlotte's and bought some chisels. Went back to
With the
drinking
money he
after
saved?
that.
Oh, yeah, went back to drinking after that. Yeah, really.
That was fun while it lasted.
Yeah, no
And
doubt.
His brother is this guy at the top of this tree.
Oh, okay.
That's
What?
Pete. That's Pete, and that was Frank that did that derailleur.
Holy cow.
Yeah.
Oh, look at him standing on that. Seriously?
Yeah. Can you imagine?
Man, you cannot be afraid of
Yeah,
heights.
the wind comes up. Holy shit.
Yeah, I can't imagine. No, that wouldn't be cool.
There's a picture of Frank over here and his brother.
Frank, that's funny. That's my name.
Oh, is it?
Yes. Oh, hi, I'm Frank,
Yeah,
by the
but
way.
I'm not him. Or I'm not him.
Uh-huh.
Look, this is he did this as all his brothers, but there's Frank.
Yeah, okay. Let's just have a nap underneath the
Yeah.
cut, eh?
Can you imagine? Creak.
Yeah, do you trust
That'd
me?
get him out quickly.
Oh God.
Just the sound of going crack.
Yeah. Yeah.
Cool.
Look, there's Frank standing there.
Cool.
That was on the
Big
Charlottes, I
trees.
guess.
Yeah, no kidding.
Yeah.
Look at that. Just the width of him is more than an adult. Yeah, that's pretty cool.
Yeah.
But they call those steam donkeys, eh?
Yeah. Steam.
Okay, I was wondering about that because sometimes you'll see these things, you know, maybe laying in a bush or whatever.
Yeah. They still. Yeah, you can come across them and.
Yeah, and I think, well, there's one house that I checked out. What was the guy's name? I can't remember. One of the Doukhobor homes, and he had a steam garage or something like
Okay.
that. It's where they used to make the clay for the bricks and all that
Okay.
stuff.
Yeah.
And yeah, apparently one of these used to sit inside the building. That's cool.
Yeah.
I mean, that's,
Visuals on it.
yeah, I know. It is a smaller gauge.
Oh yeah.
All the time.
Oh yeah.
Well, yeah, I mean, like,
Hours we put into it. There's something like 1,270 hours.
oh, no doubt. No doubt. That's an awesome replica.
And
too.
when he would pull a log in, you know, Ruby has about a 6-foot log for the display.
Yeah.
And and then it would whistle, like you know, like the old steam donkeys did. You know, it would
Oh,
whistle.
oh yeah.
I'm not.
So he built this really to scale, didn't he?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's cool.
I didn't know it brought you there.
Yeah,
That's
we took
cool.
it to Rock Creek. Well, he came too,
Yep.
and he showed it, and I mean, he made all these little,
Oh, okay.
I mean, and
Grab hooks and
yeah,
everything.
the real ones are right behind there, and
Oh, okay. Wow. That's neat.
yeah.
He was right into his modeling anyways.
Yep.
Oh, there's a model cat.
His owners took off.
There we go. An old B model Mac. Wow. Late 50s, early 60s. Something like that. Cool. Yep. Looks like this thing was in use up until a little while ago. I don't know if you can see it. There's the interior. Ah, a 2-stick Mac with no shack on the back. Bigger. Yeah, there you go. Two gear shifts and a handful of steering wheel, and away you go. Cool. Yep. This is what you would see just before it smacked into you. And there's the Thermodyne engine. So, yeah, I guess it will. Yeah. Probably 230 horse, maybe. I don't know. Anybody who knows anything about B Model Max, it's a B615 V8. Well, now, I don't know. Is it a V? Maybe it is. Caterpillar 30. Look at this old girl. There's your controls. Left, right, back and forth, and all that kind of good stuff. Cool. There you go. Powered by Cummins. Yeah. You've been sitting here a while. No windows. No. Can we sneak a peek? Yeah, kind of. Oh, you can see in there. Hi. What a neat old truck. What a wicked step. Ha. There you go again. 2 sticks and a whole lot of steering wheel. Okay. Pretty amazing. Here you go. You see what it looks like. That's what you see going down the road, man. Zoom, zoom, zoom. Son of a... Quite the suspension. Lots of leaks in it. Cool. Wow. Camel something. Camel suspension or something like that. It's kind of neat because the pumpkin faces downward instead of backwards in both of these, which was a common axle setup for Mac. Couldn't give you any specs because it's been a long time since I've seen one of these. Yeah, very interesting. Yep. Yeah, it's quite the truck. Bomb, bomb, smoke. Hey there. B-roll? Probably. Walking down the road. Walking down the road. Got me $1 to see me through. I can't say, baby, when I'll be back to you. Gonna travel on till I'm feeling blue. Till